Sri Lanka, located in the Indian Ocean off the southern tip of India, is a tropical island nation known for its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. The country boasts a diverse landscape, featuring lush rainforests, picturesque beaches, and highland regions that offer respite from the tropical heat. One of its most iconic landmarks is Sigiriya, an ancient rock fortress adorned with intricate frescoes and surrounded by exquisite gardens. Additionally, Sri Lanka is renowned for its wildlife, with national parks like Yala offering opportunities to spot leopards, elephants, and a wide variety of bird species. Culturally, Sri Lanka is a melting pot of traditions influenced by Indian, Arab, and European cultures. Buddhism plays a significant role in the lives of many Sri Lankans, with numerous temples and sacred sites scattered across the island. The country's cuisine is a delight for food lovers, featuring aromatic curries, rice, and an array of tropical fruits. Despite enduring periods of conflict, Sri Lanka has made strides in recent years towards stability and economic growth, making it an attractive destination for tourists seeking a blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and warm hospitality.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.